Are you ready to gear up for some exciting market shifts in Bitcoin?
Today, we are bringing you the latest insights from crypto experts like George Tung and Benjamin Cowen, making sure you stay informed in just a few moments.
Why should you listen to this summary? It's powered by advanced AI technology that condenses essential financial insights into easy-to-digest points.
That's right. Our goal is to navigate potential market fluctuations and exciting altcoin opportunities without wasting your time.
Join us as we analyze crucial Bitcoin predictions as we edge closer to 2024, teasing insights that could lead to significant profit. Welcome to Financial Insights in Minutes, where we save you time while providing vital information on cryptocurrency trends.
Stick with us as we uncover the current market dynamics. Will Bitcoin rally towards new highs, or will we see a market correction? Let's kick off our insights starting with George Tung's review of the Token 2049 conference.
Let's get straight into the excitement surrounding Bitcoin and crypto. This week, we find ourselves at the magnificent heights of Singapore, where George Tung is indulging in the atmosphere while gearing up for discussions at the Token 2049 conference.
And it's not just a feast for the eyes. George is involved in critical crypto discussions. Is Bitcoin set for a price rally during this event? Everyone is curious about that.
So, what's the primary insight from George's experience in Singapore? What should we anticipate for Bitcoin?
The main thesis suggests that Bitcoin is likely to experience a potential rally, fueled by the anticipation surrounding the Token 2049 conference. The convergence of influencers and project announcements could significantly boost Bitcoin's momentum.
Let's dive into the key points. How is Bitcoin performing right now?
Bitcoin has demonstrated impressive resilience, maintaining around $60,000. That's a positive sign, especially with encouraging trends emerging from the broader market.
How about the Token 2049 conference itself?
This event is pivotal. With over 400 activities scheduled, the atmosphere is electric. Influencers and project leaders are buzzing about expected collaborations and announcements that could disrupt the market.
What's the latest with major players like Michael Saylor?
Indeed, Michael Saylor has just expanded his Bitcoin holdings by an additional $1.2 billion. His fearless investment approach during price fluctuations epitomizes unwavering confidence.
Now, let's discuss predictions. What does our insider forecast?
George projects a strong chance for a rally if positive news arises from the conference. Increased investor interest could accelerate Bitcoin's growth. Imagine if major partnerships or product launches are announced.
What about the general market outlook?
Absolutely. Positive outcomes from the conference could ripple across the financial landscape. Traders and investors are on edge, eagerly anticipating developments.
To summarize, what's the overall takeaway from this week's insights?
The conclusion is clear. The buzz surrounding the Token 2049 conference could profoundly affect Bitcoin and the wider crypto market. With key players heavily investing, we stand on the brink of thrilling developments.
And as always, we want to know, how do you see Bitcoin performing this week? What are your predictions?
Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We can't wait to hear from you as the crypto tides shift.
Let's dive in. We're now navigating the turbulent waters of Bitcoin's market support band with our next engaging summary.
Here's the scoop. Benjamin Cowen, a renowned crypto analyst, provides insights into the latest trends in Bitcoin's price action and bull market dynamics. Hold on tight.
What's the core theme of this analysis? What implications does it have for Bitcoin's future?
The central thesis reveals that Bitcoin is currently trading below its bull market support band. Historically, such positions often precede major price movements, either a breakout or a breakdown.
Let's dissect the first key point. What's Bitcoin's current price situation?
As stated, Bitcoin is hovering around $58,700, trapped beneath the vital bull market support band. This raises concerns for investors hoping for bullish signals.
Is there historical context worth noting?
Certainly. Cowen highlights that Bitcoin tends to follow patterns seen in prior cycles, which can trigger significant price shifts. History appears to be repeating itself in the crypto space.
What's the role of Bitcoin dominance in the greater market?
A rising Bitcoin dominance indicates a consolidation phase, often resulting in reduced liquidity in altcoins as investors revert their focus to Bitcoin. This trend reflects a solid market pivot.
What future price movements does Cowen predict?
Cowen believes that for Bitcoin to regain its bullish momentum, it must first break above the bull market support band. Failure to do so could lead to further downward pressure.
Are there long-term scenarios we should consider?
Absolutely. There's speculation that the current cycle may extend due to prevailing bearish conditions, driving investors to brace for possible prolonged volatility.
To wrap things up, what are the crucial takeaways?
In essence, while Bitcoin faces hurdles, reclaiming the bull market support band could energize the market anew. Investors should closely monitor these developments.
Final question. As a trader, what strategies should one consider right now?
It's critical to stay informed, employ risk management, and consider adjusting positions based on Bitcoin's movements. Keeping an adaptive strategy will be essential.
Time to steer through these insights. Our next summary delves into the intriguing analysis from expert trader CryptoFace.
Let's get straight to the highlights. CryptoFace discusses the possible market reset in 2024, unveiling crucial insights into Bitcoin's direction this Christmas.
What's the main thrust of CryptoFace's analysis?
The core thesis is concerning. With Bitcoin's current money flow showing troubling trends, CryptoFace argues that historically similar situations have led to potential downturns.
Let's explore the key points, starting with the market dynamics.
CryptoFace emphasizes that the ongoing money flow indicators are flashing red. Previous instances have resulted in sharp declines.
What's the story regarding Bitcoin's historical price patterns?
Throughout history, moments of comparable money flow have preceded significant price drops. It serves as a stark reminder that optimism can be misleading.
What pivotal events should we keep on our radar?
There are two notable events to monitor: the upcoming Federal Reserve rate cut and the election. CryptoFace cautions that past rate cuts have frequently sparked substantial price declines.
What's the current market sentiment?
CryptoFace notes a cautious sentiment. Many investors are hesitant to dive back into the market at this moment.
Let's glance into CryptoFace's predictions.
He warns of a significant retrace in Bitcoin prices, potentially hitting lower levels as a reality.
And how bearish could we anticipate the market to be?
CryptoFace suggests we may experience an extended period of bearish sentiment, urging traders to adjust their strategies accordingly.
In summary, what's the key takeaway?
CryptoFace alerts traders to prepare for potential downturns given the historical patterns and significant economic events looming on the horizon.
If you're benefiting from these insightful summaries, consider subscribing to ensure you don't miss future updates.
And liking and subscribing supports our channel, enabling us to keep bringing you valuable content.
As we close this summary, what do you think the market's future holds?
Let us know your take in the comments. Your perspectives can shape the conversation around these economic currents.
Let's dive right into this next analysis. This summary unveils the risks associated with central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, and how they could jeopardize our freedoms even more than foreign adversaries.
Absolutely. CBDCs are emerging in various nations, with governments stealthily developing them. This summary will shed light on the current landscape and steps you can take to safeguard your financial independence. Keep watching.
So what's the crux of the discussion surrounding CBDCs?
The primary concern is that CBDCs could erase financial privacy, enabling central banks to exert unprecedented control over transactions. Unlike cash, every transaction will be monitored.
Let's analyze the key points. What distinguishes wholesale CBDCs from retail CBDCs?
Wholesale CBDCs are designed for financial institutions to facilitate settlements among banks, whereas retail CBDCs will be accessed by the general public. The latter raises alarming concerns regarding privacy and control.
What's the latest regarding CBDC adoption globally?
The digital naira in Nigeria has seen disappointing adoption rates, only reaching 6% despite significant governmental pressure, prompting central banks to reevaluate their strategies in favor of wholesale alternatives.
What's the political landscape surrounding CBDCs?
In the United States, CBDCs have become intertwined with political agendas, with many Republicans actively opposing their introduction through new legislation.
What scenarios could unfold if CBDCs were fully adopted?
If successfully implemented, CBDCs risk plunging us into a dystopian future where every transaction is tracked, stripping individuals of their financial freedoms.
As we conclude, what's the major takeaway regarding CBDCs?
Understanding the stakes surrounding CBDCs is essential for safeguarding our financial freedoms. Awareness and participation in policy discussions are critical in counteracting this impending threat.
Let's explore the fascinating dynamics of Bitcoin's future. Currently, Bitcoin hovers just below $60,000, intensifying tensions as we approach a significant rate cut this week.
Indeed, the market is preparing for a crucial moment as our expert dissects key targets for Bitcoin amid potential bullish trends. Prepare for insightful strategies and important market statistics ahead.
What's the primary focus of today's discussion? What's essential for our Bitcoin enthusiasts?
The central premise underscores Bitcoin's critical targets, leading into the imminent Federal Reserve rate cuts. Anticipated shifts in trader sentiment might trigger a domino effect across the market.
Let's analyze the specifics of exit strategies. What's the key exit target for Bitcoin?
Major exit targets are anticipated at $60,000 and $65,000. Traders are urged to short during periods of volatility, as these resistance levels could ignite significant sell-offs.
What's happening with altcoins during this pivotal week?
Altcoins are likely to respond sharply to Bitcoin's movements. For example, Phantom shows bullish indications amidst this uncertainty, making it a strong candidate to watch.
What's the Federal Reserve's role in all of this?
The Federal Reserve's upcoming interest rate cuts are crucial. If executed as expected, we could anticipate a bullish trend for Bitcoin, with altcoins expected to follow suit.
What should traders brace for after the Fed's decision?
If the rate cuts align with expectations, we might witness Bitcoin experience a bullish rally. Conversely, any disappointments could incite a market sell-off.
What's on the horizon for altcoins moving forward?
Keep an eye out for altcoins to surge in tandem with Bitcoin gains, as discovering strategic entry points will become crucial. Traders must remain vigilant for these opportunities.
As we conclude, what's the vital takeaway from today's analysis?
Traders must maintain a strategic approach. Bitcoin's price movements before and after the rate cuts will dramatically influence the performance of altcoins, making caution essential.
Before we sail off, what's the call to action for our viewers?
Stay alert for the upcoming shifts. Know your targets and don't miss out on those pivotal market moves coming our way.
What an eventful discussion we had about Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency market.
Absolutely. George Tung is optimistic about Bitcoin's rally following the Token 2049 conference.
But Benjamin Cowen cautions us to watch the support levels carefully.
And let's not forget CryptoFace's reminder about potential downturns based on past trends.
Plus, Coin Bureau raised some crucial points about the risks surrounding central bank digital currencies.
That's some serious food for thought. If you found this discussion helpful, please give us a like and subscribe.
Your engagement helps us continue providing these valuable insights.
And be sure to dive into our other content for more financial wisdom.
We'll catch you in the next one.